Hey guys, in this quick video, let's take a look at how we can create inverse kinematics custom joints with a handle or a controller, right? So you can see if I grab this controller, it's going to use inverse kinematics to move this leg around, right? So what would be the process of creating something like this if you are creating a custom rig for your character, right? How is this done? So let's do this. Let's do File, New. And this is going to be kind of like a short mini introduction to creating custom joints. And my intention is to create more of these kind of little mini lessons and then eventually just creating a custom rig with blend shapes for our own character instead of using like a built-in human IK, right? Just sort of like a educational exploration, think of it that way. So to get started, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in my side view here, and I'm going to go into my rigging tab here. And in the rigging tab, you can see there's a couple different options. One of them is right here that's going to allow you to create your joints. So if I click on that, and in the side view, I'm going to start creating kind of a leg chain, right? So I'm going to go, this is going to be kind of my thigh, this is going to be the knee, this is going to be the ankle, and let's say this is going to be maybe the foot, and maybe this could be, you know, the toes, right? So very quickly, we just created kind of a custom chain for, you know, just assume that there's two legs and there's a character, right? So that's going to be like the leg. So what does this mean? So if you grab something, if you grab this top one, grab the rotation, you can see that this is going to be kind of the forward kinematics, right? So it's going to be animating it forward from the hip down towards the ankle. And if I grab this knee, I can move it this way. And then of course, this is how I would move the foot, right? Now, how would I turn this into inverse kinematics where I can grab the foot and move it around? Well, to do that, all you have to do is just simply go again to your rigging, and right next to it, you'll see something called Create IK Handle. If I click on that, and then click on the top joint up here, and then click on the ankle, you can see that a little X or little gizmo, like a locator, was created. So now if I grab that locator, right, if I just select it and press W, I can move it around, and you can see that now it's going to turn the normal forward kinematics into inverse kinematics. And it's going to, the foot is going to be controlling the knee and then kind of the thigh, right? Now, how do we also assign a little controller to this? Well, to do that, you can, maybe you saw one of my previous videos. All you need to do is just go to curves, grab any one of these curves. Let's go with this round one, and let's just make a circle right next to it. All right, I'm gonna then hold down the V key, and I'm gonna middle mouse click on my mouse and just snap it right to the center of the ankle. And the other thing that I want to do is maybe I want to make it a little more custom to the foot. So to do that, I can right click, go to Control Verts, and let me actually uncheck my joints, make sure I don't select them by accident. And let's grab this one here and just kind of custom shape our controller to the foot, right? I'm going to grab this back one here. Let's move it this way. Let me also uncheck this handle as well. Let me grab all of these, and now I can move all three of them. I can also grab maybe this one, hold on the Shift key, press R. I can scale these in, and you can see what I'm doing. I'm kind of custom shaping my foot controller into something that makes sense, right? And let's say I like this, so I'm going to go into object mode. And now what I need to do is I need to make sure that this controller is actually parented. And let me turn this on now. I just need to make sure that this controller is now parented to kind of this little handle, right? So to do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the controller. I'm going to hold on the control key, select the handle, go into constraints, parent. Let's go into options. In here, let's just make sure maintain offset is on, and just say apply and close. And now if we select this little controller and press W, you can see that we are going to be able to control the foot using the controller, and it's using the inverse kinematics. So this is kind of a little tiny preview into rigging. All right, so again, in my next videos, we can maybe dive a little deeper and see if we can, make this a little more complex. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.